Hi, I'm Bob Burton, executive producer of Hard Hat Video News. Everyone I know is concerned with improving construction management. But what's a sign of bad management? This site hasn't been touched for 3 years. It's kind of hard to blame that on the weather. You'll find out on this edition of Hard Hat News how that might have been prevented. Now back to my partner Glenn Ballard in the studio. Glenn?
Hello again and welcome to the 4th edition of Hard Hat News. These nice rooms and Darth Vader toys are here to do just two things: solve construction problems and save you money. Our winter edition is going to highlight safety and marketing. We talk about the actual cost of video and how we've been able to solve some specific construction problems. However, at the end of our video magazine, we're going to do two things. First, we'll take a commercial break to tell you about an award-winning video we've made called Construction Management: The Overview. Then we're going to tell you how our efforts to sell this award-winning video have led us into opening a new business. In 1991, we intend to become the video distributor for the construction industry. To do it right, we're going to need your help. But we'll get to that part of the show in about 7 minutes. First, let's bring you up to speed on what we've been doing since August. We're going to start page 2 in the conference room. We started off this fall with a 26-minute safety orientation video for the Homer J. Olson Company, which we believe breaks new ground in safety education and accident prevention. We spent a lot of time this fall doing video documentation of projects. We caught Evans American rehabilitating a historical landmark in San Francisco and filmed Kingston Electric laying an underground cable from Oakland to Treasure Island. We also laid the groundwork for winter productions for the Arco Refinery in Ferndale, Washington, the IBEW's Western Regional Organizers Council, Kimmel Construction, and Caltrans. We're going to be pretty busy this year. We also produced the 1990 year-end report for the Dutra Construction Company. This video may have the smallest audience in the world. It goes directly to their bankers and bonding agents. Page 3. This section of Hard Hat News is devoted to problems, solutions, and results. Let's stay with the Dutra annual report for just a second. Their original problem was educating their bonding agent and bankers about their capabilities. Our solution was a video version of their annual report that showed these capabilities in living color. The result was a significant increase in their borrowing capacity. Neat and tidy, right? Well, when a competitor challenged one of their bids, the video version of their annual report played a valuable part in convincing the U.S. government of their capabilities. Dutra Construction got the job, and we solved an unexpected problem.
Our 1989 annual report projection: to move into the Pacific Rim. Dutra is proud to announce the awarding of 3 jobs totaling $15 million in Oahu, Hawaii.
Bechtel spends a lot of time and money on doing the job right. But on this occasion, they had an opportunity, a problem, that they figured would warrant spending a little more time and money in order to save a lot. They had to install over 700,000 feet of electrical and instrumentation conduit on a major refinery project. If they could develop a better method of doing the work, they could save time and megabucks for the owner. The solution? Time-lapse photography and craftsman involvement. Together, these resulted in a method of conduit installation that got the job done in half the man-hours Bechtel had budgeted for the job. Instead of a sore thumb in the middle of a project, they had a phase of the job done on time and under budget that wasn't interfering with other schedules. In terms of the dollars involved, this is probably the most cost-effective application of video that we've ever seen. Problems, solutions, results. That's real business talk. Is saving lives and preventing injuries becoming a larger part of business vocabularies? The Homer J. Olson Company had a problem. New OSHA regulations require that new employees be informed about the job hazards they will face on each work site. Our solution? A safety video that walks the new hire through the job site with actors, stuntmen, and music to keep their attention. Page 4. What does video cost? How do you get one produced? How do you stay in control of the production process? You know, we spend a lot of time educating you about video applications to solve construction problems, but we also need to tell you about video costs. What can you expect to pay? We budget a project the same way you do. Every video production is made up of the same basic parts: script writing, videotaping, editing, graphics, and so on. And we know what each of those parts costs. Once we know what parts and how many of them are involved in a specific project, we add up the costs and develop a budget. Once the budget is agreed to, it becomes a fixed price and part of our contract with you. Most of our videos cost between $1,000 and $3,000 per finished minute. Some are 10 minutes long, some are 25. So your cost could range from $10,000 to $75,000 depending on the length and complexity of the job. We know it's cost effective. Hard Hat News is our marketing tool, and in 1990 it generated 18 projects, plus considerable bookings for 1991. Okay, I hope you get the idea. We prepare a specific budget for each project, and we can help you explore the options. So, don't decide you can't afford video until you talk with us. Page 5. Normally, at this point of the program, we bring on a special guest to interview. We're going to skip that this edition because we want to try and sell you something. We've produced a video called Construction Management: The Overview. It won a bronze medal from the National Educational Film and Video Festival. It's pretty damn good. Christmas is over, but if there's someone in your outfit that just put down his tool belt and put on a necktie, or if there's a new face in the commercial lawn section at your friendly neighborhood bank office, it would be worth its weight in gold to you for them to see this video. We're selling it in 3 30-minute segments for $200 each, or $500 for the whole package. We tried to make this video available to the construction industry through standard distribution channels, but we couldn't. 6 different distributors liked it a lot, but they don't market to the construction industry. So we've decided to enter the distribution business. We want to become your construction video store, selling off-the-shelf tapes to the construction industry. We're going to need your help knowing what to stock and what to produce. Construction Management: The Overview is the first video on our shelves. It is a management orientation video designed to show you what a construction project manager does. We intend to make a series of follow-up videos that take each of those topics and show the new manager how to do them. Each will be covered in a 25-minute tape selling for $400. This is your chance to give us some direction in where to start. Our tentative schedule is what's on the screen. Marketing, estimating, contracting, managing money, budgeting, scheduling, controls, materials management, and labor relations. But if you need number 7 on that list yesterday, call us now. Some video applications lend themselves to use by many different users, primarily those devoted to training and education. That's what we'll be putting on our shelves. Other applications must be custom developed for individual users, such as marketing and claims documentation. So we'll be wearing 2 hats, acting both as producer of custom videos and as distributor of videos to many of you out there in the construction industry. That's about it for this edition of Hard Hat News. I hope you had a happy holiday. Bob?
We're convinced that Construction Management: The Overview, along with the other tapes in the series, could help prevent something like this from happening. We hope you think so too. The number's on the screen for ordering information. Until then, see you next spring on Hard Hat News.